Hey, it's Travis, and I am at AutoQuip Automation. We're going to talk a little bit about that in a minute at the 2022 Air Power Vendor Expo in Pinehurst, North Carolina. I'm standing here next to two guys. I have Joel and Mike. Mike, I'm going to start with you because you own the company. Mike,
Yes.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, and then Joel. I actually had breakfast with Joel this morning.
We did, yeah.
Yeah, I was like familiar face. So, okay, let's talk about AutoQuip Automation. What is your company in a nutshell?
AutoQuip Automation is a manufacturer and integrator of fluid handling equipment and automation. We do some robotics, fluid robotics, painting robotics, sealant robotics, but mostly what we do is manufacture pumps and pump equipment, mix room equipment.
Okay.
Really. That's what we do.
Paint kitchens, paint mix rooms.
Right.
Okay. And then when you're talking about, you can get very precise with those fluids. And you can get, I'm assuming you can get very precise with those fluids to a certain point in a plant.
Sure.
Anywhere,
Right.
multiple applications.
Right. We make lifts, we make agitator equipment, we make color valve assemblies, and we make a lot of metering equipment that precisely meters the fluid.
Correct.
1K, 2K, 3K,
Correct.
batch dispense.
You have multiple components, you have to have a very precise measurement of each component, or when they cure, they do their thing, it may not do its thing if it's not accurate.
That's correct. And there's thousands of different fluids, so it takes a number of different technologies in order to deliver those fluids that correct, precise method.
All right, cool. All right, so I'm going to take, very nice to talk to you. I'll come back in a minute. I'm going to move over here to Joel. Joel, you are the Director of Sales?
I am.
Okay, for AutoQuip Automation. See, look how quickly that's coming. I can say it so easily. All right, so tell us a little bit about your day in, day out. You probably have a first-hand working relationship with Air Power.
I do.
Okay.
I'm responsible for going to multiple distributors, promoting the products we have, suggesting how the ROIs work for the end user, and promoting new products.
So our account managers, our specialists, the engineering team, they're all going to be a part of this in many cases.
And
you're working
I
with
to
them
both.
to put it together.
They are. Like I say, I deal with both the application specialists and the account managers.
Yep. Yeah, because let me face it, we've got account manager. Air Power's grown super over the years. So, we have people we have account managers that are new, that are learning very quickly, but that's kind of the reason for the application specialist to help kind of get that training, basically get the training they need as fast as they can get it and get them up to where they're able to work, sell, troubleshoot as fast as possible.
And many of the account managers have said they've got specialists they go to help them along with different application stuff.
Yep.
So it sounds like it's a very good process.
Yeah, I'm actually an application specialist in the filter portion of the business. Booth filters, whatever filter. And it's the same thing, it's all about training. It's all about, hey, I've had my eyes on that situation before, so we can now help the account manager see it in a little bit different eyes, a little bit different eyesight, and then
You've got
now
the
I know how to do it. Yes,
the expertise.
we've already failed. We've already failed before.
Yeah,
so
I get that.
So try to help them not have to fail moving forward. So
That's good.
All right, thank you, Joel.
Thank you much.
Thank you, Mike. All right, on to the next booth.